If you want to insert SIM card into Motorola Moto G87, then in that case you want to take a look at the left side of the phone, because over here we have the SIM tray. There's also this little SIM tray hole, and we need to use an eject tool to pop out the SIM tray from the phone. Now, the eject tool can be found inside the box, and once you have it, just put it into this hole. First, just put it in, and it doesn't go in that much, so just a little bit, and then push it straight into the phone. Apply a bit of pressure and push it in, and then the SIM tray is going to slightly pop out. And then you can use your fingernails or fingers to completely remove the SIM tray from the phone. There we go. Now we're gonna insert our SIM card. Over here we have the SIM card slot, so we just need to match the shape of the SIM card slot, just like that. Over here we have the memory card slot, so if you want to insert a memory card as well, then you can do so quite easily. And then just put the SIM tray back into the phone. Push it all the way in. Make sure that it is actually fully inserted back. It should not stick out or anything. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.